Hi! In front of me is Nokia G20 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to find calendar and click on it. Then tap on the month above over here and pick a date. When you're done, click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner, select event, and over here you can adjust it however you want to. For example, you can add a title, pick starting hour, ending one, or turn off this feature by clicking on the switcher next to all day. You can also set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before, add location, and even take notes. When you're done, click at the top right corner on Save, and as you can see, my event was successfully created. You can always delete it by tapping on it, clicking on those three dots at the top right corner, selecting Delete, and tapping on Delete one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!